Hello and welcome to our review of the Kemove Angel K68 mechanical keyboard. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at this customizable keyboard, which was released in 2021. First, let's talk about the design. The Kemove Angel K68 mechanical keyboard has a sleek and modern design that's both stylish and functional. The keyboard is made of high-quality materials and feels very solid and well built. It features a 60% layout, which means that it's smaller than a full-size keyboard but still has all of the essential keys. Now let's talk about the switches. The Kemove Angel K68 mechanical keyboard is available with a variety of switches, including Cherry MX switches, Gateron switches, and optical switches. The switches are hot-swappable, which means that you can easily replace them without having to solder anything. Speaking of customization, the Kemove Angel K68 mechanical keyboard comes with a set of PBT keycaps that are very durable and resistant to wear and tear. The keycaps are also compatible with backlighting, which means that you can customize the keyboard's lighting to your liking. The keyboard features per key RGB lighting, which allows you to create a wide range of lighting effects. Now let's talk about the software. The Kemove Angel K68 mechanical keyboard comes with companion software that allows you to customize the keyboard settings and lighting. The software is very intuitive and easy to use, and it provides a lot of options for customization. You can create custom macros, remap keys, and adjust the keyboard's lighting effects. In terms of connectivity, the Kemove Angel K68 mechanical keyboard can be connected to your computer via a USB cable or Bluetooth. The keyboard supports up to 3 devices, which means that you can easily switch between devices with the press of a button. This makes it a great option for anyone who needs to work across multiple devices. Finally, let's talk about battery life. The Kemove Angel K68 mechanical keyboard has a long-lasting battery that provides up to 8 hours of runtime with the backlighting turned on. This is very impressive and means that you can use the keyboard for a full day of work without having to worry about the battery dying. Overall, we think that the Kemove Angel K68 mechanical keyboard is a fantastic option for anyone who wants a customizable and versatile keyboard. It's well built, easy to use, and provides a lot of options for customization. If you're looking for a high-quality mechanical keyboard, the Kemove Angel K68 is definitely worth considering.